In maths, we are learning how to measure the length and height of an object. We have been learning how to use a ruler to help us measure objects accurately. The rulers that we have at school mostly start at 0, but some rulers don't start at 0, and there's a little gap before the first centimetre marker. We know that when we're measuring, we must always make sure we are starting from 0 or the very first centimetre marker on the ruler, not always at the end of the ruler. We know that each mark on the ruler is 1 centimetre long. So if we want to measure the length of a pencil, we need to make sure we put the end of the pencil where the 0 marker is on the ruler, or at the very end of the ruler if that's where the 0 marker is. So this pencil is 7 centimetres long because the end of the pencil stops where the 7 centimetre marker is. This pencil is 5 centimetres long. This pencil is 9 centimetres long. We can also use a ruler to measure the height of something. We do this in the exact same way, it just means that our ruler is in a different direction. Here you can see that all of the straws are starting at the first centimetre marker. This is 0. The yellow straw is 6 centimetres, the pink straw is 4 centimetres, and the green straw is 9 centimetres tall. So the green straw is the tallest straw and the pink straw is the shortest. We need to remember when we're talking about height, we use words such as short and tall, and when we're talking about length, we use words such as short and long. We are not using words like bigger and smaller when measuring length and height. Kat says the pencil is 6 centimetres long. Can you see the mistake that Kat's made? You might notice that she hasn't put her pencil at the 0 starting point. She's actually started her pencil from 1. Now we can still measure an object if we start it in a different place, but we need to remember that we still count from 0 when we're measuring. So I'm going to pretend that the number 1 on this ruler is now 0, and I'm going to count on in ones until I get to the end of the pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The pencil is actually 5 centimetres long. The mistake that she made was that she didn't line it up at 0 in the first place. So Kat has measured from 1 centimetre instead of lining it up at 0, meaning her pencil is only 5 centimetres long, not 6. These rulers don't have numbers on them, but again, we can still work out how long or how tall they are. I'm going to look at where my pencils start, and I'm going to pretend that that is my 0. And then I'm going to count on a bit like we would on a number line. So the pink pencil, I can see that it's actually starting from 1, but I'm going to pretend that's 0, and I'm going to count on in ones until I get to the end of my pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The pink pencil is 10 centimetres long. I can see that the yellow pencil is starting from 2 centimetres. I'm going to forget that for now, and I'm going to start it at 0 and count on in ones again. I'm not going to count the first marker on the ruler. I'm going to count on from that, just like we would if we were jumping on a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My yellow pencil is 12 centimetres long. And finally, my blue pencil. I can see that it's starting on 1 centimetre, but again, I'm going to pretend that's 0 and count on just like I would with a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My pencil ends at 11 centimetres. So I can see that the tallest pencil there is the yellow pencil because it's 12 centimetres long. The shortest is the pink and then in the middle is the blue.